Tomorrow also, by the way, marks 1 year since a tornado outbreak in North Texas. North Dallas's Preston Royal Shopping Center took a big hit with dozens of restaurants and stores damaged. The road to recovery, it has been a long one, but progress has been made. Our reporter Erin Jones with more on a big announcement that came today.
Construction crews and materials, evidence there's still more work to be done. In the year since a tornado tore through this North Dallas shopping destination, a lot of progress has been made. Several impacted restaurants and shops once again welcoming customers. Preston Oak's anchor store, Central Market, however, has remained closed. Company representatives say instead of rushing to reopen, they've used this time to change the layout of the store.
But because we plan to expand the building and add about 4,000 square feet, curbside, expanded produce, other things that have been reported in the paper, we elected to take additional time to where we could finish our building and be complete for a mid-April or early May opening.
To celebrate, the president of Central Market also announced a $1 million donation to the Dallas Education Foundation. The money will be put towards rebuilding nearby Dallas ISD schools.
But hope's on the way, and we got resources, and we're going to make this very powerful.
Dallas ISD Superintendent Dr. Michael Hinojosa on what's in store.
You will see Thomas Jefferson rebuilt. It's going to be so exciting. We're going to take the old Walnut Hill building and keep that beautiful facade, and we're going to open a career institute. It's the can-do spirit. That's what you're experiencing right here.
In Dallas, Erin Jones, CBS 11 News.